Welcome to RajaVikramadithya channel.
Today we are going to meet some amazing shapes. Let's see who they are. Hello. I'm a circle. I am round and have no corners.
You can see me in things like the sun and the moon, or wheel, or clock.
Hello. I'm a square. I have 4 equal sides and 4 corners.
You can find me in the things like a window, or a box, or a chessboard.
Hello. I'm a rectangle. I have 4 sides too, but 2 of my sides are longer than the other 2.
You can see me in the things like a door, or a monitor, or a book.
Hello. I'm a triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 corners.
You can spot me in the things like a slice of pizza, or a road sign, or a pyramid.
Hello. I'm an oval. I'm like a stretched out circle.
You can see me in things like an egg, or a mirror, or a watermelon.
Hello. I'm a star. I have 5 points.
You can see me in things like the night sky, or decorations, or in the flags.
Hello. I'm a rhombus, also known as a diamond. I have 4 equal sides, but look like I am leaning.
You can see me in things like a kite, or diamond, or sweets.
Hello. I'm a pentagon. I have 5 sides and 5 corners.
You can find me in things like a soccer ball, and hut, or okra.
Wow. We found so many fun shapes today. Let's remember them. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, star, rhombus, pentagon.
Keep learning.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.